Most people move to Tampa for the beaches. Some move for the sunshine. But if you want history, culture, walkability, nightlife, and real estate opportunity all wrapped into one district, there's only one place like it, and that's Ybor City. This isn't just another neighborhood. This is Tampa's Latin Quarter. This is where cigar smoke built an empire and where the brick streets still tell the story. Hello everyone, I'm Mike Faust with M&M Selection Group, and today we're diving deep into one of the most unique neighborhoods in the entire Tampa Bay area, and that's Ybor City. If you're thinking about living in Tampa or investing here, this area absolutely deserves your attention. And whether you're purchasing in 9 days or 9 months, my team and I would love to help you make the right move. That's what we do. We guide people through Tampa's neighborhoods so you don't just buy a house, you buy the right lifestyle. Ybor City was founded in the late 1800s by Vicente Martinez Ybor, who moved his cigar operations here and turned Tampa into the cigar capital of the world. At one point, hundreds of millions of cigars were rolled here annually. But what really made Ybor special wasn't just cigars, it was the immigrant community. Cuban, Spanish, and Italian immigrants created mutual aid societies and organizations that provided healthcare, education, and social support long before government programs existed. This wasn't just industry, this was community. Ybor doesn't feel like suburban Tampa. It doesn't feel like downtown condos either. It feels alive. You can walk from coffee to lunch to live music without ever getting in your car. And the Teco streetcar connects Ybor to downtown and Water Street, making it one of the most connected historic districts in Florida. And yes, the chickens are real. They roam freely and they're protected. It's part of the charm. Now let's talk a little bit about the real estate, because this is where things get very interesting. Ybor City offers 3 main property types: historic bungalows and casitas with very limited supply but tons of character. Industrial loft conversions, exposed brick, high ceilings, and giving you that factory vibe. And modern townhomes and condos, newer builds just outside of the core. Median pricing typically ranges between the mid-200s to low 300,000s, depending on the property type and the exact boundary lines. Condos and lofts tend to bring the median down compared to renovated single-family homes. Average rents are hovering around the $1,800 to $2,000 per month for 1 and 2 bedroom units, which makes this area very interesting for investors. If you buy a contributing property in the historic district, there are design guidelines. You can't just change windows or demolish architectural features without review. For some buyers, that's a negative. For others, it's a major plus because it protects the character and protects your long-term value. Let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of living in Ybor City. So why do people choose Ybor? Walkability is a reason, culture, nightlife, and its proximity to downtown, and of course, unique architecture. What should you be aware of? Well, the weekend noise near 7th Avenue, that's where all of it happens. Parking challenges in certain pockets, and older structures requiring maintenance. Ybor is about lifestyle. If you want cookie cutter, this isn't it. If you want character, this might be perfect. So here's the big question. Is Ybor City right for you? If you love history, walkability, culture, and owning something that doesn't look like everything else in Tampa, this neighborhood absolutely deserves a closer look. Whether you're purchasing in 9 days or 9 months, my team and I are here to help you every step of the way. We know those micro pockets, we know the historic regulations, and we know how to negotiate in this market. If this video gave you value, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming Tampa neighborhood deep dives, and drop a comment below. Would you live in Ybor City? And if you're serious about making a move, reach out directly. Let's schedule a strategy call and make sure you land in the right home, in the right neighborhood, at the right time. I'm Mike Faust, and I'll see you on the next video.